Welcome back to the channel. Wow, it's been a month. I apologize. But before we get started in today's video, I want to thank everyone because I just reached 200 subscribers right before I'm making this video. You know, I've never thought people would actually just subscribe. I made this channel out of fun in the beginning, and you know, I gotta stay true to that. A lot of people have been, asking me, why don't you make videos regularly? So I gotta deliver. So today, episode 1, welcome to Weekly Visuals. Every weekend, I'm gonna go try and make a vlog for you guys and call that Weekly Visuals. And also when I get time in between the week, when I'm not so busy with art center and photography, I'm gonna be doing some sit down videos just so we can connect and, have some fun, laugh a little bit. And yeah, today's gonna be an exciting day. I have this fun little toy that we have, the Mamiya RZ67. It is a medium format camera. It has a 65mm lens on it. Obviously you could change the lenses out as with any other camera. This shoots 120 film, and we're gonna go to Little Tokyo and see what it's talking about. It sounds great. It's a monster of a camera. I love it. 120 film, medium format. It's amazing. We'll be going to Little Tokyo. I'll be taking some urban landscapes, some lifestyle with this bad boy right here. It's out of my comfort zone since I do shoot portraits, but we're still gonna have fun, and I'm taking you guys along. So let's go. The weapon of choice today is gonna be Ektar 100 color negative film. Yep, good move. It's actually a great day. How's it going, bro? How you doing?
That shit funny. Male senpai! Yeah, bro! That was a good game, bro. I'm sorry.
I know you're feeling that type of way right now.
Yeah, I know. No, but Korea scored a banger. I can't front. They scored a really good banger.
Big facts. They
scored a banger.
Mexico won, though. We already know.
Yes. Good day.
Good day.
It's a good day.
Alright, we gotta pick up Esther now.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Yo, what's with this traffic? Fuck!
Bags there.
Esther.
Hey!
My cameraman for the day.
Yeah, I'm ready for that.
Alright. Little Tokyo.
Let's go.
Vamos.
You're at a gas station. No excuses. Go buy a Slim Jim.
That's how you start your day with the monster.
0 calories. 0 sugar. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was telling you.
I hope y'all love LA. Bromo.
Mexico.
Oh shit. So we loading film right now. We got the Ektar 100. People gave me shit for that because they said Portra was better, but this is cheaper, so broke boys. Wait, how do you do this again? Alright, that's right. That way, right? So we just loading this. We just got to Little Tokyo. Esther, if you can show them around.
Right now?
Like that way or
the
something?
window? Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, so we in Little Tokyo right now. We're gonna have this cool shoot as soon as I'm done loading film. I should have done this at home, but
Whatever.
you live in England. Alright. Back in the camera. Is this the right way? Alright. You're on regular sunlight?
Yeah.
You're in daytime?
Yeah.
Are you on third stop still? No. So what am I meter? The highlights? But this is colorful. This is just off the sun.
That's not instant. That's
Light work. I'm tired. Help. Send help, please. The struggles of a photographer.
Okay, cover your shoes up. I'm gonna go now.
You had that moment right there.
I saw it, and then if like that's the thing about street photography, like you have to wait for the right like second, and it doesn't work sometimes.
You had it.
Everything's good.
I have to wait.
Wait.
Right, but the situation when it becomes F11 is like, what's the subject matter? Like, I need to know what my subject matter is. My subject matter reflection, or because I mean you're the street, you did the most street photography out of me, more than me. So
Yeah, you just meter off this.
but I'm saying, does it look like a good image?
Yeah. I turned one in for Kim.
Like a reflection
Yeah.
of this?
No. In the beach.
I don't know if you feel me.
No?
So the situation is, I'm trying to get 30 frames. We're at 9 out of 30. We got 21 shots left. We're gonna make it happen. It's gonna be fun. So we're going upstairs to shoot this from an aerial view down. A roll has like 10 frames. I'm at my 9th frame, so we're probably gonna finish it off on this one and then switch rolls. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm proud of Esther for being a good cameraman today. Good. So here's the situation. Mamiya, RZ, cameraman, assistant, which after my shoot, she's still gonna be the cameraman.
Yeah.
He's gonna be the shooter and I'm gonna be the assistant. So, but so far it looks like we're getting successful with shots. We'll see. Back over to Esther.
Tiger? Where are we going?
So we're heading over to the
Marukai Market.
yeah, like the Marukai Market area, Little Tokyo. It's the more famous known area. It's like a shopping mall, has like all the stuff. No, it's past this though.
Oh, okay.
This place is a little cool too. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna go there to shoot the other roll now. It's loaded. And we're gonna see what it do. If he let us shoot at night though, it would have been so good. Because Little Tokyo at night is always fire, you feel me? Everyone's looking at me like I'm holding a damn weapon. Because nobody knows what a medium format camera is. But it's okay. You gotta do it. Is there something
Yeah.
like a punch? This one? Yeah, the waterfall?
That's what it does. Looks good though, huh?
It does look good. Esther, watch out in front of you. She's so dedicated to the camera work.
Yeah.
It's good vibes though. Damn. What's that?
I don't know.
Let's go higher. Oh, that's the spot I was telling you about. Orochon Ramen.
Yeah, it's just good.
Good. So good.
Good.
Yeah, it's a good ramen spot.
Can we go there?
It's too hot to eat ramen, man.
What you want?
I want to take photos.
But I'm hungry.
Okay, we'll eat after.
Okay.
We'll eat before mine.
Okay.
So we ran into a problem here. The camera itself isn't really firing, and that's concerning because I need to shoot. I mean, I don't know what to do to go about this, but can I get the other phone, please? I'm trying to fix it, but I don't know how to do this. A little concerned. Esther's over here, just recording. There's a pigeon right here.
Hey.
Nature. Pigeon whispers. Street dog.
Okay.
So hopefully, if I put in some new film, this will work. But I don't know. We come to a predicament. Hi.
Why? So the camera is still not working. And then we're going back to the car.
I'm gonna try to fix it in the car because I don't want to get a ticket.
True.
So we'll see how this works. It's a stress. It's hard to buy everything on the shelves.
So,
Stress. So this is for him and me. This is for
me.
all this.
Yeah.
This is for me and Han. This.
For me.
Let me just something for you, okay? Now, all right. Have I done any special song to you guys? Never.
You've done once over there.
What did I Which song did I sing?
I don't remember the song, but I was taking fun of you last time too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me do that. Have I done my original song? No?
No, I don't think so.
No. This song is called Winky Dog. Winky Dog, okay? So if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't think it's a good song, or thumbs down. Okay. One thing you should never try to be kind, okay? Your name?
Tiger.
Tiger. You mean a tiger?
Yeah.
Your name is? Pussycat. Or
One.
One. Okay. One. Tiger. Your name?
Esther. Esther.
Esther.
Yeah.
E-S.
T-H-E-R.
T-H-E-R.
Yeah.
Esther. Esther and Tiger and Mom. Okay. So, Esther, you be the judge. Tiger, you be the tiger. I mean, you be the judge. Okay?
Tiger.
One,
You be the tiger.
okay. Winky Dog. So, where's the music by Arthur Nakane? It's me. Okay. Get everything ready. Winky Dog, here it comes. Winky Dog, Winky Dog, how I love you, Winky Dog, Winky Dog, Winky Dog. I'm so happy with the Winky Dog. Ready for first now. As I was walking one day down the street, just fingers choking as I always do. Not really looking for some special treat. But I saw you in the store. Winky Dog, Winky Dog. How I love you, Winky Dog, Winky Dog, Winky Dog. I'm so happy with the Winky Dog. Esther, second verse. As I was talking to the clerks of the street, she told me you just came to town today. I feel so lucky you the first to meet. I fell in love for sure. Hey, Bobby! This one, two, three, four. Winky Dog, Winky Dog. How I love you, Winky Dog, Winky Dog, Winky Dog. I'm so happy with the Winky Dog. Never let you go. We can go back. I gotta go get her. Winky Dog, Winky Dog. How I love you, Winky Dog, Winky Dog, Winky Dog. I'm gonna be the Winky Dog. Hey, Tiger, you got her. Wow. You like the song?
That was good. That was good.
Thank you very much. Okay. Winky Dog.
My boy Juan has never tried Coke Peach from Japan. This gonna be the first time he tries this. He gonna find out. His mouth's gonna get the work. Pause. Good.
It's good.
You know what I'm saying? We doing good out here, you feel me?
It's good. I got shrimp chips too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's nothing compared to what Esther got. She got a whole bag.
Yeah.
Let me see. Get like let me go there. She secured the bag.
Yeah.
All right.
we're done shooting, we're done eating. So that's the end of today. We're gonna finish up a last photo here on digital though, not on film. We're gonna finish that up. We're under Grant Street. But I just want to say thank you for watching today's vlog. This is episode 1 of Weekly Visuals. This is my boy Juan and Esther. I'm gonna have their Instagrams on the bio. If you're watching this video, go follow them on Instagram, show them some love, and expect another video next week, Weekly Visuals episode 2. And we're gonna try to keep this as consistent as possible, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next.